Welcome back, everyone. And today's video is not just another update, because right now inside Camp Nou, we're not only witnessing construction, we're watching the future of one of the biggest stadiums in the world being built in real time. What you're seeing here is not just concrete and steel. This is the transformation of a historic home into a modern football masterpiece. And the most interesting part? While all of this construction is happening, there's also a very clear plan behind how everything will unfold over the next few years. As of now, FC Barcelona has already completed the first and second tiers of the stadium, along with 5 VIP lounges, allowing the capacity to reach 62,657 spectators. It's a major milestone. But despite this progress, there will be no further increase in capacity during the season. Instead, the club is now focusing on the next step, preparing reports to request approval from the Barcelona City Council so they can gradually add more seats next season, depending on how the third tier progresses. The idea is simple but smart. Rather than waiting for the entire stadium to be fully completed, Barcelona wants to return step by step. And the reason behind this strategy is huge: revenue. After renovation, the number of VIP seats and boxes will triple, reaching around 9,400 premium seats. According to club president Joan Laporta, these VIP areas, combined with new sponsorship deals, are expected to generate around 120 million euros every year. Right now, nearly 3,000 workers are actively building the VIP rings in the third tier, and this phase will continue throughout next season. At the same time, the team led by Hansi Flick is expected to keep playing, which makes this entire process even more impressive. Construction and matches happening side by side. But this is only part of the story. Once this phase is completed, the project will move into its final stage, the installation of the roof. And this is where things get even bigger, because the stadium's capacity will rise to around 105,000 spectators, turning it into one of the largest stadiums in the world again. However, there's a major challenge. During the roof installation, the entire stadium will be covered, making it impossible to host matches. That's why the 2027 to 2028 season will not begin at Camp Nou. So where will Barcelona play? The club is currently working on a plan to expand the Johan Cruyff Stadium, increasing its capacity from 6,000 to 16,000 seats. This is also necessary to meet the requirements of La Liga, which demands a minimum capacity of 8,000. At the same time, Joan Laporta is not in favor of returning to Montjuic due to its high cost, so this temporary solution could serve both the first team and the club's future needs, including the women's team and Barcelona B. The plan is to start that season there and then return to Camp Nou once the final works are completed by the end of that year. In total, this entire reconstruction project will have taken around 4.5 years since it began in June 2023. And if we come back to what's happening right now on the ground, the progress is clearly visible. The third tier is rising step by step, the VIP sections are taking shape, and every part of the stadium is moving forward with serious momentum. What we're seeing today is just the beginning. Because in the coming months, this place will transform even more, getting closer to becoming the ultimate football stadium once again. So stay tuned, because we'll keep bringing you every update, from construction to completion. And if you're enjoying these updates, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any progress from Camp Nou.